Hey, sup everybody, BMSLou here. Hope everyone's doing well. Thought I'd take you guys out. This is probably going to be my first actual time playing with this Fimi Palm Gimbal. So I'm actually doing something this morning that I haven't done in I'm not even sure how long. Probably 4 or 5 years maybe. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. I am currently shooting this in 4K 30 frames, and I'm just going to continue to keep shooting in 4K 30 frames throughout this video. So come join me as I hopefully have fun, and you guys can enjoy these samples of clips from my excursion today. So hope you enjoy the video. I'm close to 2600, 20 something like that, 2800, I don't remember, but I sure would love to hit that 3000 subscribers. So I'm a couple hundred away from there, I know that for a fact, but please check out all my videos. This channel, I'll talk real quick, I'm all over the place with this channel, so I just record anything and everything. So I welcome anybody who wants to join me and come along for the ride. Not a profession for me, but something fun to do and keeps my mind off of other things. So anyway, enjoy these clips today, and always appreciate the comments. I definitely try to comment back. I get so few comments, it's pretty easy to keep track of all the comments right now. So come along with me and enjoy this video, and I'll catch up with you a little bit later. All right.
Get lucky once in a while, but I'm probably not going to make it. Okay. He's up there. Yeah. I'm gonna get one up in the green there. Oh, I don't know where it's at, though. Look at that. Right on the green.
Oh, right on the green.
Put that fucking away.
Oh, nice. It went up straight.
I think I hit the fence behind it.
I don't know about that. I thought I saw something drop near the bunker. Yep, go ahead.
Oh, perfect.
Do you want to go first? Or do you want me to do it?
I don't care either way.
Oh,
there you
Oh,
go.
Dad's gonna do it. Oh!
Oh, that was a good one. It's a little too hard. The other greens were a lot slower.
Yeah.
This is for birdie.
Ooh,
Birdie.
oh.
Ah.
Nope, knock it in.
Par.
Par. Go ahead.
It is a good feeling.
All right, we're on hole number 8. so far for not doing this in many, many years. I'm happy with the way I'm playing. I got a par, so hey, that's good. You guys want to watch me try to chip this in from about, I don't know, 30, 40 feet? Let's see. If I could set this down. Mom, you want to hold this while I'm gonna have Mom hold this while I chip it in. Just hold it right here. All right.
Okay.
Not bad.
Oh.
Thank you, Mom. So I'm out here with Mom. As I turn the gimbal around, out here with Mom, Dad, one of my brothers, having a good morning. Beautiful fall day. Forgot to mention, I'm recording this with the internal mic. Kind of forgot to put on the external mic, but this would be a good test of the internal mic as well, outside, which I have not done a video on yet. But hope you guys are enjoying the video. If I don't come back on, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Everybody have a great day. Enjoy autumn and fall, and we will talk to you on the next BMS video. All right, take care.